So let me start with the first company that I'm the CTO of, which is called 99Ravens. 99Ravens is in the marketing space, and our work is primarily for marketers, either in brands or in agencies, to create strategy using AI. A lot of this marketing strategy, for example, Nike has Just Do It, or others have other marketing strategies. These come together through collaboration of a lot of humans across various different departments. And we feel that space is ripe for disruption in the way that AI can come in and help a lot of this collaboration move one notch higher. So that's the vision that we are building towards. So the problems that we solve, or there's many meetings held for strategy. How do we take all of the information, whether it's meeting notes, transcriptions, and convert that into a meaningful document? How do you activate such a marketing strategy into a real billboard campaign seamlessly? A lot of this strategy requires competitive research, market research. How do you use AI to alleviate the problem? And then finally, how do you keep all of this safe because it involves corporate data? How do you manage the admin operations for that? So that's the problem that 99Ravens is building toolkits to solve. How do we use AI here? Very simply, a lot of this requires corporate sensitive data, right? It's all internal data, research reports, financial reports, market research, and so on. So by being able to bring all that data in a form that a large language model can understand and then provide the outputs, but all of it on the edge in a place that you can control, it makes it a lot more cheaper, a lot more privacy safe, and cost control for the corporations to do that. And for many of the brands, like if you take some of the big brands like Nike or others, their corporate documents are so sensitive that they wouldn't want to create this strategy by sharing it all with OpenAI, right? That fear is still there. So that's what we've been able to do. I know this is a very complicated picture, but I wanted you to see the complexity, but also the control one can have. So in terms of our platform, and I'll show you a snippet of it, there is a UI, there is an element that you can come in and do the normal admin and other functions I talked about. But where we are a multi-tenanted platform, so each client would have their own edge AI node, where their internal models, their documents, all of them are completely segregated and controlled by them. And that's the innovation that we are offering, that you can enjoy all the quality of an LLM, but keeping all of your stuff at the edge and still have all the business functions that you would use. And Edge AI allows us to build this sort of an architecture and also combine it. In some cases, they might want to combine it with the central cloud service, and they can do that as well. So I know I talked a lot. I want you to see this in action of what's the true value to an end user. So imagine that you were in a brand and you were doing market research, and the market research needs to sift through a bunch of your internal documents. It needs to go out on the internet, collect a bunch of information, and then put a marketing research document together that then is used for strategy. That's the workflow that you have. Today, like without AI, most of it is human led. Someone goes, takes these documents, goes to the internet, takes out, puts together a PowerPoint and deck, and therefore the productivity is only what that person can run with. So here is an example how we built AI agents on the edge that allows these documents to be still on the edge, but connected with the internet and create a marketing research document. So let me show you first of, these are all the internal documents of the customer that we have. Then this is the agent where a specific marketing question is being asked. The AI now splits this into multiple viewpoints. It splits the question into a number of questions. goes both into the internet as well as the internal documents to sift through all the answers. And then it comes back to the human and saying, I am going to look at these documents. And then it runs in-depth research, which means it goes into each of those individual questions, runs in-depth research, and then finishes that up. And then you can look at a PDF. This is completely written by Edge AI through an Edge LLM, where it created this document of complete market research, including all the links. So that is the practical application of how we can combine the power of Edge, a local LLM,